Alright, so I'm going to be talking about how to conceal carry with a backpack on. So first off, there's a lot of talk about how to do this, I guess, properly, or a good mindset how to do it. But first off, it's just really difficult to. Obviously, there are things in the way of how most people conceal carry. Majority of the people will carry, obviously, waistband. So this presents itself a problem because when you're carrying a lot of weight, the backpack straps and your waist belt, mainly your waist belt, is supposed to hold all the weight. So you have a lot of compression tension here when you're carrying a backpack. So that kind of eliminates you from the primary means of carrying that, a firearm of some sort. I mean, you could, but one, it's going to be uncomfortable. Two, it's probably going to be slow because you have a lot of pressure down here. And I don't really see what the benefit would be to doing that. Now, alternate ways is you can carry under the arms. A lot of people do that as well. But there's also issues here. So, through my research of just trying to find a really good way to carry while backpacking, or let's say get home bag scenario, bug out, whatever you prefer, this is the best way that I have found. So this is a Hill People Gear kit bag. So what's so great about it is you carry pretty much everything up on your chest. So when you're presented with a threat in front of you, say that is a human being or an animal of some sort, you don't have to be like, wait a second, let me get my pack off and get whatever defensive tool out of my backpack. That doesn't make sense, and it's really slow. So specifically, if you have this kit on, or this bag, you can just undo the zipper and your pistol and present right there. That's pretty slow, but it was smooth. Obviously, Kydex is quicker from the waistband, but we just explained you can't do that. So what I just demonstrated is a perfect way, in my opinion, to carry. Now, the bag also has the main concealed carry compartment back here, and it's got also a smaller one up front. I've added this one up here. Now, it's MOLLE. You can get it with MOLLE or without MOLLE, just to kind of stand out or be more discreet. But a lot of people will like to carry as an alternative outside the waistband or open carry on their side. I don't like that. I like concealed. You're not going to make kind of too much of a scene. People aren't going to see you with a firearm. So that's why I gravitate to this. And for me, this is the best way to do it. I haven't found a better way yet. Maybe there are some other ways to do it out there, but I haven't found it yet. So hopefully this was informative for you. Hopefully you can take some of this advice and maybe you can find a better way than me, but particularly this is what I like.